Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use scheduling tool on Honeybook. But right before we go into that, what you can do is just simply click on a link down below in the description, and when you're going to click on the link down below in the description, you can get 20% for 1 year and you can claim the discount. So that's something that you can do if you're starting with Honeybook. That just offer for you. And now let's just jump into it and let's learn how we can actually use the scheduling tool. When you're going to come to tools, you're going to be in productivity and scheduling. So click on that. And here you're going to click create my first session. Here I'm going to choose a session type first. So if it's a phone call, in-person, video, or other. So let's say this is going to be an in-person, or I can have video. And when you're going to have video type and you would choose Zoom, you need to sign it and connect it via your Zoom account. So yeah, so phone call, who should going to call? Me or invitee. Or in person is location, that's optional. Or video, you need to choose a video type if it's going to be Google, Zoom, or the other, because you can automatically integrate it. Now we're going to have the type of session. So let's say we're going to have the in-person, and this is going to be coaching, right? Now, time zone, you're going to choose the time zone. Like right now, I am here, and duration, how long is going to actually be? So let's say 60 minutes. You can change hours, or let's say I can have 1 hour here. When can this session be scheduled? And we can have indefinite scheduling can occur at any point in the future. Rolling period, scheduling can occur during a rolling period relative to the current date. Fixed date range, scheduling can only occur within this fixed range of dates. So you can choose which one you are. Rolling window, fixed date range, from start date. So today until, let's say, October, because I'm in November, I'm out of here and I'm going to vacation, so I'm not going to work. So that's something you can actually do, right? And you can have the session like this on a fixed date range on the rolling window. That means that scheduling can occur during a rolling period relative to the current date. So you choose that, completely up to you. Then the session color, that's another thing that you can choose. Choose the color, you can always change that. So I like the light blue. Oh, this one is stronger, better. Instruction, provide any information that will help invitees be prepared for this session. So come happy. Come happy. Or at least, I don't know, try to come happy. So we can have instruction, what they have to take with themselves, what they have to prepare. Let's say for coaching, or let's say, okay, I was doing YouTube consultations in the past. And when I was doing it, I always said, okay, prepare all the questions that you have about YouTube so you can have the 1 hour of session most effective. And for that, it's going to be much more better for them. Only because they're okay, and for what you can YouTube, blah, 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 straight away questions, and I answer them. Then send invite to reminders, and when you want to actually send it to them. So reminders means that, let's say I'm going to have it at 5 p.m., the consultation. At 4 p.m., they are going to get a notification, the reminder. You can send it also to me, so okay. And then we can have send email 1 day before session. I definitely recommend to have this on, only because it's going to, you're going to notify and people not get lost, because people got a lot of stuff on their minds. People got a lot of stress in their lives, and it's great to remind them. Next, availability. So here you're going to have how often we can be available. So I can have 9 to 5 p.m. So now here you can change everything. So I can have a 9 to 5 p.m. I can click edit. And let's say for Tuesday, I don't want to work so much. So I'm going to be at 1 p.m. And you know what? In Wednesday, I'm going to remove availability. No, 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 no. We don't work in Wednesday, my friend. Friday is like Saturday. Remove availability. And when you're going to click on it, you're going to have apply to all Fridays. So you have option to actually not have it only in one Friday, but you can have it in every single week. But you don't have to have it like this. You can unclick it and then choose a time here. Or I can click here and I can add another time. So how it actually works, what you can do is, let's say you're going to have a lunch break. So what I can have is to edit. This one is going to be until 12 p.m. I'm going to add another time for 9 a.m. Oh, no. This is going to be from, let's say, 2 to 5. Save. And 5 p.m. Look at this. So here is when they can actually like choose it. And this one is going to be from, I have 1 hour free here, 5 to 6. Like this. And save. Now when we have it, I can have buffers. Set the amount of time to block before and after client schedules. So that's something you can enable. And this is something that is like really great. It's like preparation. So 10 minutes. Or after 10 minutes. And that's also like really good one to have a buffer. Minimum notice, send a minimum of time that you require from when this session is scheduled and when it will occur. So let's say when they are going to actually have it, right? So they can have 2 days, 4 days, 1 week. I can have like 7 days or like 8 days. So I would have it always longer only because I want to have it for next week and I don't want people to sign it up immediately. So I would like 2, 3, 4, 5 days. That's completely up to you when you don't want to have many people signing up straight away because you see that, oh, tomorrow I don't have anyone. Bam, here you got 15 consultation. You don't want to have it. Maybe you want, I don't know. But it can be surprising. So minimum notice, that can be really interesting. Select the increments of time in which your availability will appear. Like, I don't know what this means. So maybe in the comments you will know. I got no idea. I know that I'm making the tutorial, but I got no clue what it means. Select the increments. What it means. So wait a second. Oh, I understand. So they can increase. Okay, I got you. I got you, boy. And where am I? Here, select the increments of time in which your availability will appear. 10 minutes. Let's go like that. Text confirmation. So the message below will appear on the confirmation page after invitee schedules. Thank you for scheduling session with me. Please view the details of session below. Now, you can send confirmation email. That's something that I recommend. Reschedule option will appear upon confirmation email reminders. Okay, we're going to allow for them to reschedule. And then we're going to also allow cancellation so people can cancel it. And I can click here, save and finish. Now I can copy it. I can see it right here. And let's see how it works. This is the session type that we have here. I can go to incognito mode. And let's see here. So here we have the days that I'm available. So I can go first day. And let's say PM or AM. I'm going to be 6:50 or 7:20. So you can choose that. Or 12 p.m. Okay. And then I add a full name, Marcus Aurelius, not my email. And then I'm going to press continue. And then we see that the session details. Now what the person can do, they can reschedule it, they can cancel it, or add to Google Calendar. And now what I will do, I'll just open it again. And then you see right here, YouTube channel Marcus Aurelius, right here is the coaching. and you're gonna see it always here. And that's how pretty much you can use the scheduling in Honeybook. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down in the comments. Definitely use the discount down below in the description. And have a great day and goodbye. So thank you and see ya.